Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's your Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I hope you all will be glad and improving your English day by day. So dude, improve your English with yourself. Okay, today I have no any topic but I am making video. And dude, one more thing, if there is any noise, so please ignore the background noise, okay? And dude, like I am saying you, there is one people who is sit behind me and he was staring me, he was watching me like what I was speaking, okay? And dude, if you are new in this channel, so please dude subscribe this channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel, so please subscribe, because you will improve English here gradually, day by day and step by step. And this channel is very good for beginners, for learners, for English learners, okay dude? So that's why I'm telling to you, if you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe. And you can see the behind nature, like this is amazing guys, you can see, amazing. And there is fresh air. If you are like dude, you can dude, you can see that in Delhi state, okay, yes, in Delhi there is not clear fresh air, but there is fresh air, I can breathe easily, okay? And I am not feeling any problem in breathing time, okay dude? Sorry dude, please ignore the background noise, because guys, there are so many children who are making noise, so please ignore background noise and improve English. Sorry dude, please, sorry. You can see there are so many children who are playing, so that's why you are listening noise, okay? So dude, yeah, we were in nature, so there are many factories and nature are getting bad, okay, due to factories. Because there are so many factories, and because of factories the environment is going to be very bad, so that's why. And dude, you can improve anyway, whatever you want. How you can improve your English, in what way you want to improve? You can improve your English at your home and in alone, okay? If you haven't any partner, so you can also improve your English. Because dude, if you have any, if you want to really improve your English, so you can improve, dude, whatever you want. If you have any wish, if you have wish to improve, okay, so you will improve. And dude, if you really want to improve, so you should practice every day, day by day, okay? Every 1 hour minimum, okay? Every 1 hour you can practice and improve your English easily, okay? There is no doubt that if you are practicing every day, so you will not improve. Yeah, you will improve, okay? So dude, I would say you all, for your journey, that if you are learning English, so you are different from others, okay? Where I live, there are so many people, approximately 50 to 70 people are there, but they don't know English. That how we can speak English? Yeah, there are some boys who know English, but they are not able to speak English. they understand English, but they are not able to speak English. They can listen English, but they are not able to speak English. So dude, please try to speak. Okay, if you are watching any video, so please repeat sentences after that speaker. Try to speak. Okay, and if you are watching this video, so please speak. If you are writing, so please speak. If you are listening, so please speak. Okay dude, so it is not difficult dude to improve English, to learn English. Like many of you are feeling that this is not made for me. Sometimes they feel like that, but dude, it is not like that. Everyone have any strength, everyone have a unique hobby. Okay, so you can improve at anything. Okay, at any in okay, so you can improve dude in any field. Okay, if you are perfect to make sketch, so improve that skill. Okay, but dude, English is very must for all of us. Okay, because this is an international language. And if you suppose dude, suppose that if you want to go foreigner, okay, if you want to go abroad, okay, so you should know English. If you don't know English, so how you will speak from foreigners? Okay, so that's why this is very must language, and this is very easy to understand, easy to speak. It is not so so difficult. Okay, it is easy. If you will try it to speak, so you will learn. And if you are not trying to speak, so you will not learn. Okay, because you are not starting. Please start, raise one step. Okay, please. So dude, please start, and dude, be positive, keep learning, keep grow. Okay, so that's all for today guys. And if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. So I will meet in my next video. And if you have any suggestion, if you have any question for me, so please write down in the comment section, and I will try to give answer on that topic, on that advice. Okay, so that's all for today guys, and I will meet in my next video. So bye bye for this time.